Starting positions. Ready, set, go.
I teach 7th grade STEM at South Valley Junior High School. With the Meta Grant funding, we received VEX EXP robotics kits. Students have spent the last few weeks building robots, learning the basics of coding, and now they're playing freeze tag using the code and the robots they've built.
I'm the science and STEM teacher here at Desert Ridge Junior High. This is our first year doing STEM. We are trying to introduce these kids to all of the aspects of STEM. This class simply would not exist if not for the generosity of Meta. We are able to do all kinds of amazing things because of that. We have the ability to expand this program up to a full year. I'm hoping to eventually see an advanced STEM class and engineering classes, combining with digital art, combining with industrial tech.
Digital art has evolved for the last few years, going from just focusing on Adobe products to now we're using 3D modeling and animation and video game making. With the grant, it's going to provide stop motion, it's going to provide video editing, video creating with green screen, music. We're going to be able to create our own music, whether that's for movies, video games, or just in general. There's going to be so many avenues for these kids to be able to do things that would be usually at a college level.
You know, we really pride ourselves here at Mesquite Junior High for having one of the only STEM and sports programs. Students that might have difficulties in math and science, we're able to facilitate more learning on those essential subjects. The Meta Grant provided sporting equipment that allows my students to really get hands-on and really gets them excited about learning on an everyday basis.
Today we went out and did kinetic energy with lacrosse.
Honestly, anyone would like this class.
One thing that is best about robotics here at Mesquite Junior High is we get to have students build things from scratch, see them work, see them build up, see what they're capable of themselves.
I like engineering in general, no matter like if it's robots or like building something. It's just really fun to do.
My favorite part is definitely building and testing the robots.
I am the STEM teacher here for 7th grade at Highland Junior High. We are so excited that we had the opportunity to have these T-Bot hydraulic systems. We've never had something this advanced before for the students to use. It's just a great tool for them to learn the basics.
I guide science and STEM learning here at Highland Junior High. I and my students are so grateful for the CTC Go and Motion product. My students will get so much more hands-on experience with circuits, mechanics, and coding.
My favorite part of STEM is working with robots.
I'm the STEM teacher at Greenfield Junior High School. I currently teach 5 classes of STEM, which is about 140 students every year that will get to use the technology. I really think the technology is beneficial. Students can get immediate feedback when they're using robots. It really brings learning to life and it makes it much more exciting and fun for them.